What's going on, family? Your welding coach checking in, Black Phoenix, and today I wanted to just give you a live update about the welding classroom setting. And what we do in here is actually, we'll go over some videos, and we do have the book. This is the book that we're actually working out of as of now. And we'll go over certain things in the book that pertains to what we're trying to learn. This course is only 16 weeks long, so it's not a real long course. Not only that it's 16 weeks long, but it's only 4 hours a day, Monday through Thursday, so it's not a lot of time. It's about 350 hours worth of training, so we try to fast track everyone. Soon you jump in, we believe in the 75-25 approach, where it's 75% hands-on, and the rest of it is the information that is needed to help you become the welder that you're trying to become. But we like to lead by example. On the table, when you first step in, I have some plates up here. Now, these test plates that I got is giving them an example of what it looks like or what it needs to look like if you're trying to perform certain welds. So I like to do the welds myself on the ones that I have up here, as far as the vertical, the overhead, when they're tying in beads, from building up the bead plate. And this is actually a student. I let him build it up, and it turned out real good. And I gave him another coupon, and I told him I wanted to use his coupon as a display, just to show a person that it's 70-18 on one side and it's 60-10 on the other side. Those are the two rods we're using. And then we also got some flux core up here to show him a flux core T-joint. And then a little example of some TIG welding, because we just teach the introduction to TIG. We don't do like a full setting where we teach everyone how to do it, but we do give them an introduction. So I wanted to give y'all an update, because our goal is in this program is to help educate those who really need it for job placement, to help them get a better job and to, get more established and to bring themselves up by their bootstraps this year. So if you know someone in the Little Rock area or local area surrounding Little Rock, tell them about this program. It's a great program. It's at the Goodwill Academy in Little Rock off of Scott Hamilton Drive. I really believe this is a program that can benefit them, because they do pay for your PPE. You get your OSHA 10, and then they help you with your resume builder, which would lead to job placement. So I really think this is a great program. So for those who don't know about it, please tell someone. We're off Scott Hamilton Drive, Little Rock, Arkansas. Tell them about the welding program. Hold on.